Welcome back to Yogi PC Tube. Today, I've got some important news for Windows 10 users. Microsoft is officially rolling out the Extended Security Updates, also known as ESU, to keep your device protected even after support ends in October 2025. Right now, it's being tested in the Windows Insider rings, so if you don't see it yet, don't worry, it will become available for everyone by mid-August 2025. What is ESU? Extended Security Updates are designed to give you one more year of vital security patches, taking you all the way to October 13th, 2026. Once it rolls out on your system, you'll see a message: Enroll in Security Updates to stay protected. Click Enroll now. Enrollment Options. Here's where it gets interesting. Microsoft has changed how ESU works. You'll now see multiple options to activate the update. Pay $30 US dollars or local currency equivalent, use 1,000 Microsoft Rewards points, or, even better, get it for free. How to get it for free? Here's how the no extra cost option works. Option 1. If you have at least 1,000 Microsoft Rewards points, they'll be deducted and you're good to go. Option 2. If your PC already has the Windows backup feature enabled, syncing your settings and data to the Microsoft cloud, you also get free extended updates. So if you've been using a Microsoft account and syncing your PC settings, chances are you're already eligible. Who will need to pay? The only people who need to pay the $30 are those who don't have Microsoft Rewards points and haven't enabled Cloud Sync or Windows Backup. Final notes. In my case, I had 2,600 points, so I used 1,000, and boom, I'm now enrolled in free extended security updates for Windows 10. This is a great move by Microsoft, giving users more flexibility and time before they eventually switch to Windows 11. So once again, if you don't see this update yet, don't panic. It's rolling out gradually and should hit all Windows 10 PCs by mid-August. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Yogi PC Tube, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon for more tips and tech updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.